Kia ora all. This video is going to look at putting data from a Google Sheet into NZGrapher to create a scatter graph or a scatter plot. So what I've already done here in a previous video is I have now got the age and the number of games played here by the current All Blacks. And what I'm going to do is put them into NZGrapher here. So when you log into NZGrapher, this is the view you'll get. Just click on the X in the top there. Okay, and what I'm going to do is go back into the sheets. I'm going to click and drag, and I want to select all of my data there. And then I'm going to copy that. So Command copy. And then into NZGrapher, I will click on data. I will then want to paste a table, and we can paste the table into there by Command V. So once it's in there, it might not look perfect, but it will come out okay when we click import. Okay, now you can see here that there is the age and the number of caps, or the number of games by players. What you'll then need to do is click on this part here where it says graph type about, and we are going to select a scatter graph. Okay, and then in the scatter graph I'm going to have the age and the number of caps. Okay, and we have age along the bottom, along the x-axis, and caps along the y-axis. So what I can do here to check whether I've got a good relationship happening between age and caps, I can click on this here, the regression line. Okay, and when you get the regression line up, we can see here that there is a positive relationship. But what we can also look at is this R score here. So it says R equals 0.58. Because this is positive, this means that we have a positive relationship. And around a 0.5 is a moderate relationship. When you start getting into 0.75 and above, you're looking at strong, and down around 0.3, I guess, is a weak relationship. So we can see here that we have a moderate relationship between age and the number of caps. The last thing you need to do is just highlight the title, and we can change that to age and caps of All Blacks. Okay, update the graph by clicking in the bottom right hand corner there, and we have our data. If you need to, you can change the size of the points to make them a little bit bigger so they're easier to see, and there's some other things that you can play around with here. Cool, so I hope that helps. Thank you.